Welcome back, audio enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of exceptional sound with our top picks for the best floor-standing speakers of 2023. Whether you're a music lover or a cinephile, these speakers redefine your audio experience. We've carefully curated this list to bring you the pinnacle of sound quality and design. Stay tuned as we explore the ultimate choices for immersive audio pleasure this year. Number 5. The SVS Prime Tower speaker has been with us for 9 years now, having been released in 2014. And while given the slower updates from speaker manufacturers, this may not seem like a long period in the speaker's market, it's incredible that it has held its value and remained a customer favorite for so long, despite the arrival of numerous new models in the years thereafter. The SVS Prime Tower speakers retail for $1,200 a pair, so they might be considered entry-level hi-fi speakers, but don't let that term deceive you. We'll explain why in a moment. The SVS Prime Tower speakers redefine home audio with their exceptional design and performance. These floor-standing speakers are meticulously crafted for acoustic excellence, ensuring a superior audio experience in surround sound systems. Featuring a 4.5-inch mid-range driver housed in a dedicated sealed compartment, these speakers deliver a smooth, precise, and clear mid-range free from any distortions. The dual 6.5-inch woofers provide deep and articulate bass, adding richness to music and enhancing the impact of movie sound effects. Each woofer has its compartment and custom port tuning, resulting in powerful and accurate bass that you not only hear but feel. The 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter delivers crystal-clear highs even at high volumes, ensuring transparency and revealing intricate details in vocals and dialogue. The innovative SVS SoundMatch 3.5-way crossover enhances the speaker's performance by creating a focused and precise soundstage. This design guarantees accurate frequency response at all listening positions, from sparkling highs to palpable lows, maintaining signal purity. The speaker's cabinet design is as impressive as its sound quality. Chamfered edges minimize sound diffraction, ensuring clear and precise sound staging. The cabinet, available in piano gloss black or premium black ash finish, exudes a modern industrial elegance. With features like shorting rings and a tweeter diffuser, these speakers offer a blend of aesthetic appeal and acoustic excellence, making them a perfect choice for any home audio enthusiast. Elevate your audio experience with the SVS Prime Tower speakers. Number 4. The Fluance XL8FW Reference High-Performance Floor-Standing Loudspeakers redefine audio excellence, delivering an unparalleled listening experience. These speakers are engineered with precision, featuring premium components that ensure room-filling, immersive sound. What truly sets these speakers apart is their exquisite bass performance. The downfiring 8-inch subwoofers generate deep and undistorted low frequencies, all while maintaining a minimalist footprint. The woven fiber drivers in the mid-range provide vibrational damping and optimal linear movement, resulting in a faithful reproduction of the original recording. The silk dome neodymium tweeters handle the high frequencies with grace, producing crisp, natural tones and spacious dispersion, making every spot in the room the sweet spot. The superior cabinet engineering is evident. Meticulously designed enclosures with rigid internal bracing prevent unwanted resonance, ensuring pure sound. The dual rear ports contribute to controlled low-frequency response, creating a balanced audio profile, frequency range 35 Hz to 25 kHz. Included in the package are 8 isolation floor spikes and 2 magnetic front grills, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of these speakers. With a focus on delivering next-level sound performance, the Fluance XL8FW floor-standing loudspeakers stand as a testament to quality and craftsmanship, making them an ideal choice for 2-channel stereo listening or home theater systems. Elevate your audio experience with these exceptional speakers. Number 3. The Klipsch RP8000F Reference Premier Floor-Standing Speaker stands tall as a pinnacle of audio engineering, captivating listeners with its flagship tower performance. Boasting a pair of 8-inch spun copper woofers, this speaker delivers deep, resonant bass and rich mid-range frequencies. Klipsch's iconic 1-inch horn-loaded tweeter graces the speaker, ensuring smooth and detailed highs that breathe life into both movies and music. One of the standout features is the incorporation of hybrid horn technology. The flared openings in the speaker cabinet, coupled with Klipsch's Tractrix horn, focus sound waves toward the listener, enhancing dynamics and efficiency. This design minimizes sound reflections, offering a crystal-clear, powerful audio experience. The Tractrix horn also extends to the bass port, ensuring smoother airflow and reduced turbulence, leading to cleaner, more potent bass with minimal distortion. Furthermore, the RP8000F provides versatility with dual sets of speaker input terminals, enabling bi-amping or bi-wiring for optimized sound quality. This attention to detail demonstrates Klipsch's commitment to delivering exceptional audio experiences. For enthusiasts seeking a speaker that harmoniously balances innovation, precision, and power, the RP8000F Reference Premier Floorstanding Speaker stands as an exemplary choice, enriching your auditory journey with unmatched clarity and depth. Number 2. The Sony SSCS3 three-way floor-standing speaker is a testament to high-resolution audio, delivering an unparalleled sonic experience. High-resolution audio technology elevates your digital music, capturing nuances beyond CD quality. With increased audio samples and precise bitrate accuracy, it faithfully reproduces every breath and subtle movement, eliciting genuine emotional responses from your favorite tracks. Featuring innovative super tweeters, the soundstage expands with remarkable precision and balance. These speakers utilize advanced techniques, including a powerful magnetic circuit and lightweight CCEW in the voice coil, enhancing sound pressure and reducing distortion. The newly developed 130mm woofer delivers deep, stable bass, complemented by a mica-reinforced cellular cone that maintains its rigidity even under high pressure, ensuring undistorted audio, particularly in bass-driven music. Sony's attention to detail extends to the high-precision tweeter, faithfully reproducing vocals' energy and passion. The tapered faceplate edges eliminate noise, allowing for a clear and natural soundstage. Premium components, including air core inductors and silicon steel plates, preserve the richness of high-resolution audio. Moreover, the speaker's sturdy, ported all-wood enclosures are meticulously crafted for resonant acoustics, dampening unwanted vibrations and ensuring clear music playback. The sleek wooden finish not only adds style but also enhances the speaker's durability, making the Sony SSCS3 a perfect blend of substance and sophistication for any audiophile. Number 1. The Jamo Studio Series S807 Walnut floor-standing speakers bring a blend of style and performance to your audio setup. This set includes two versatile floor-standing speakers designed for exceptional sound quality. Equipped with a 1-inch soft dome tweeter and dual 5-inch poly-fiber woofers, these speakers deliver clear and natural sound, making them ideal for both music and movie soundtracks. One standout feature is their Dolby Atmos readiness. The speakers come with integrated metal fasteners on top, allowing you to attach optional Jamo S8 ATM Dolby Atmos upward-firing speakers. This innovative setup provides a three-dimensional audio experience without the need for in-ceiling speakers, enhancing your home theater setup significantly. The design is both elegant and modern. With the magnetic grills removed, the tasteful wood accents give the speakers a fresh and sophisticated look. The seamless fastening system and waveguide acoustic technology contribute to their overall performance, ensuring a dynamic and immersive listening experience. Whether you're an audiophile or a movie enthusiast, these floor-standing speakers from Jamo offer an excellent balance of aesthetics and functionality, making them a valuable addition to any entertainment setup.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.